Question 21. Which type of research inquiry investigates the issue of human complexity, for example understanding the human expertise? A. Logical position. B. Natural inquiry. C. Positivism. D. Quantitative research. Question 21. Answer. B. Natural inquiry. Question 22. Which of the following studies is based on quantitative research? A. A study examining the bereavement expressed in spouse or clients with terminal cancer. B. A study exploring the factors influencing weight control behavior. C. A study measuring the effects of sleep deprivation on patients' healing. D. A study examining clients' feeling before, during and after bone marrow aspiration. Question 22. Answer. C. A study measuring the effects of sleep deprivation on patients' healing. Question 23. Which of the following studies is based on the qualitative research? A. A study examining clients' reaction to stress after open heart surgery. B. A study measuring nutrition and weight loss gain in clients with cancer. C. A study examining oxygen levels after endotracheal suctioning. D. A study measuring differences in blood pressure before, during and after procedure. Question 23. Answer. A study examining clients' reaction to stress after open heart surgery. Question 24. A 75-year-old client in a nursing home tells a nurse, "I signed the papers of that research study because the doctor was so insistent and I want him to continue taking care for me." Which client right is being violated? A. Right of self-determination. B. Right to privacy and confidentiality. C. Right to self-disclosure. D. Right not to be harmed. Question 24. Answer. A right of self-determination. Question 25. A supposition or system of ideas that is proposed to explain a given phenomenon best defines. A. Paradigm. B. Concept. C. A theory. D. A conceptual framework. Question 25. Answer. C. A theory. Question 26. A nursing student wants to know if the time she will study for the board examination is proportional to her board rating. During the June 2008 board examination, she studied for 6 months and gained 60%. On the next board exam, she studied for 6 months again for a total of 1 year and gained 74%. On the third board exam, she studied for 6 months for a total of 1.5 years and gained 82%. The research she used is A. Comparative. B. Longitudinal study. C. Experimental study. D. Cohort study. Question 26. Answer. C. Experimental study. Question 27. Anton was always eating high-fat diet. You want to determine if what will be the effect of high cholesterol food to Anton in the next 10 years. You will use A. Comparative. B. Correlational. C. Historical. D. Longitudinal. Question 27. Answer. A comparative. Question 28. Brangaya was selected randomly as well as Brangaya B. Nursedley conducted teaching to Brangaya and assess if Brangaya will have a better status than Brangaya B. This is an example of A. Comparative. B. Correlational. C. Experimental. D. Qualitative. Question 28. Answer. C. Experimental. Question 29. And researched on the development of a new way to measure intelligence by creating a 100-item questionnaire that will assess the cognitive skills of an individual. The design best suited for this study is A. Historical. B. Methodological. C. Survey. D. Case study. Question 29. Answer. B. Methodological. Question 30. A nurse is conducting a research study on how Mark, an AIDS client, lives his life. The design suited for this is A. Historical. B. Case study. C. Phenomenological. D. Ethnographic. Question 30. Answer. C. Phenomenological. Question 31. A nurse researcher is to perform a study about how nurses perform surgical asepsis during World War II. A design for this study is A. Historical, B. Case study, C. Phenomenological, D. Ethnographic. Question 31 Answer: A historical. Question 32. Which among the following is the most important characteristic of a sample? A. Appropriate number, B. Location, C. Representativeness, D. Randomization. Question 32 Answer: C. Representativeness. Question 33. A student nurse visited a tribe located somewhere in China. She studied the way of life, tradition and the societal structure of these people. Which among the following is an appropriate research design? A. Historical, B. Case study, C. Phenomenological, D. Ethnographic. Question 33 Answer: D. Ethnographic. Question 34. A nurse researched on TB, its transmission, causative agent and factors, treatment, sign and symptoms as well as medication and all other in-depth information about tuberculosis. This study is best suited for which research design? A. Historical, B. Case study, C. Phenomenological, D. Ethnographic. Question 34 Answer: B. Case study. Question 35. What does a sample group represent? A. Control group, B. Study subjects, C. General population, D. Universe. Question 35 Answer: B. Study subjects. Question 36. Random sampling ensures that each subject has A. Been selected systematically, B. An equal chance of selection, C. Been selected based on set criteria, D. Characteristics that match other samples. Question 36 Answer: B. An equal chance of selection. Question 37. Which of the following methods allows the use of any group of research subject? A. Purposive, B. Convenience, C. Snowball, D. Quota. Question 37 Answer: B. Convenience. Question 38. You decided to include 5 branches in your municipality and choose a sampling method that would get representative samples from each branch. What should be the appropriate method for you to use in this care? A. Cluster sampling, B. Random sampling, C. Stratified sampling, D. Systematic sampling. Question 38 Answer: A cluster sampling. Question 39. Which of the following might prevent the conduct of a research study? A. In order to gather data for the research, excessive risk to subject is required. B. Costs for conducting the study are low compared to the potential benefits from the researcher. C. The identified problem is covered in the literature. D. The research problem is based on untested nursing theories. Question 39 Answer: In order to gather data for the research, excessive risk to subject is required. Question 40. Every year we discover new methods or gadgets to improve man's life. The research type used of this nature is A. Applied, B. Experimental, C. Developmental, D. Quantitative. Question 40 Answer: Applied.